our life, and how we have to lead with the good habits. Okay, that good habits make us what? It make us to lead our life nicely with a full what we say, with the respect we can lead when we follow the good habits. So we have to follow the good habits, and the good habits will make us to feel good. That name only shows that good habits. Okay, it make us to feel good. So we will also follow that good habits in our life, and we will also be as a good students. Yes, good students, good teachers. So we'll follow the good habits, children. In our life, day by day life, we will follow the good habits. Okay, after studying about the good habits, we'll move on to the next chapter, that is water. You all know what is the meaning of water. The water is the main source to lead life. Yes, water is the main source to lead our life. Yes. Okay, before we start our next chapter, the fresh one, we'll move on to the next level of our learning. We'll start with a short prayer, children. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. Asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityoma amrutam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Okay, now we'll start with a new chapter, children. The water, the drops, the liquid form of the something which gives us too much energy. It is a liquid form, but it gives too much of energy. Without water, we can't lead our life. For day by day life, we want water. The small amount of water is enough to lead our life. But without water, can you imagine our life, how it will be? We can't imagine only. For everything, for all simple neat things, simple things, we want water. Whatever we are taking in the liquid form, that will contain the water contents. Yes, the water is that much important to lead our life. And to be fit and be healthy, we want water. We have to drink minimum or maximum 8 glass of water per day. 8 to 10 glass of water. Minimum we have to drink. More if we drink, that will be good. But we have to drink 8 glass of water per day to lead our life normally. To be normal, we have to have that much of water. Okay, understood the value of water? The water, the name, the water gives too much importance in our life. Too much. Without food we can manage, anyhow we can manage. But without water we can't manage. We get what? Thirsty feel. We start feeling thirsty, and we start feeling stomach pain if you not drink water. Yes, you will get what? You will get so many problems if you not have single drop of water inside your body. Okay, so we have to use water. But some people are there, they will waste too much of water for silly matters. For tap on and they will leave like that only. Okay, simply the wastage of water will be too much. If you waste like this only, some in the rare day, in the next coming days, we not get water also. So we have to store water, and we have to maintain water. Okay, and clean water, drink clean water. Okay, we'll start with our chapter, children. First, in your book, first page 174, they given an activity for you. They draw a beer photos, pictures there, and they given an umbrella there, and there we have a drops of waters. The rain is coming. Okay, what they are telling, color that picture with a beautiful colors. What all colors you have, that will relate it to that. Color it with that. Okay, make it beautiful. Okay, try to do that, children. Now we'll start with our chapter. We cannot live without water. We use water for many things. We use water for many things. We use water for drinking, for cleaning, for washing. Yes, and for growing plants we want water. If we put water on the plants, it will start growing. Okay, for cooking also we want water. Without water we can't cook also. So we want water for that also. Now we'll see for what all things we use water. First one, to drink. The main thing, to drink. If we drink, we get energy. Energy to talk, energy to move, energy to sit, energy to work. We get energy. Water is it is equals to energy booster. Okay. The next one, to wash clothes. Day by day we wear different clothes. Daily we change clothes. So after changing, that have to be washed. Okay, hanga maniyolage itbiಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, that have to be washed, that have to be clean. So for cleaning purpose, what we want, children? We want water. We want what? Water. Next one, to have a bath. Main thing, for regular bath we want water. All of you bath now, daily we have to bath, or else you will feel what? Dirty inside. For look clean, for look beautiful, to get respect from the others, we have to look clean. So what we have to do? Daily we have to take bath. And for bathing, what we want? Water. Next one, to grow plants. Plants. If plants are there, then only we get what? Food. Vegetables we get. We get what? Vegetables get. We get fruits we get. For that all things, what is needed? Water. Without water, the plants also will not grow. It will dull up and it will die. So what we have to do? We have to put water to the plants to get so many flowers, so many vegetables, so many fruits. The last one, we want water for cooking food. You all eat now. For eating, simply if we cook the rice item or any other item, you will eat? No, you will get bored. So different type of foods we prepare. For that, what we want? We want water to boiling. Boil the vegetable, boil the fruits. Yes, boil all the things we want what? Water. Without water, the vegetables also will not boil. Okay. So these all things we want what? The major part, that is water. Without water, we can't do these all things. Next one, sources of water. From which all things we get water? Where we get water, children? From the river we get, from the sea we get, yes, from the lakes we get, from the ponds we get, so many things. From the rain. These all are the sources of water, where we get water naturally. We get water from different sources. Rain is the most important source of water. When rain comes, then only the water will. It will store in the river, it will store in the pond, it will store in the lake, it will store in the sea. That all water will be transformed into the what we say, for drinking water, for washing water, that for like that we use. But that all things will come from where? Rain. If rain is not there, then we not get water also. Our lake also will be empty, our pond also will be empty, our river also will be empty. So the rain is the main source of water. We get water from the river, wells, lake. We also get water from the streams and springs. Okay, these all things are there. These all are the sources of water, where we get the water. But from get that all, we want, the main thing is what? River. The river is the main thing where we get water easily. That all water will be stored in that form, the river form, the lake form, the pond form, or in the well form. That all will be stored in that. After storing, we use it for our regular use. Okay, understood how the water is important in our life? Next one, turn the page number 177, children. In places where there are no lakes, rivers, we get water from wells, tube wells and bore wells. In some homes, people use hand pumps to draw a water. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, in some areas we not get river, we not get lake also, we not get pond also. Okay, the water will be not stored in that form. That in that type of places we get what? Wells, bami. We get what? Bami ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೇನ bore wells. Okay, have you seen the bore wells? The hand pump bore wells. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ? ನಮ್ಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಕ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀರ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಂಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ? ನಮಗ ಅಂತರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ಬಾವಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ಮತ್ತೇನ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ these all we get it in that type of areas these type of areas will be fully emptied they are these water will be come from where the underground okay the hand pump and the wells these all water will be from the underground from the, it will not collected or it will not stored by rain they are naturally from the earth after some days when rain falls that again it starts storing in that and we get too much of water in that but starting that all things that all water will be from the underground from the earth we get that all waters okay the borewells and wells drinking water we get water from various sources but we cannot drink all kinds of water water we get so many from so many places we get water so many places like bores we get and from the wells we get but we can't drink that directly because some water will be not purified or not good for drinking so that time water from lakes streams and rivers may have a germs they have what bacteria they are not purified the mud will be in that it is reddish in color so that is not good for our health if we drink that type of water we get what we get diseases we feel sickness they are not purified rivers and lakes become dirty when people throw waste into that what people will do after using some materials after doing something they will throw in the river okay for example plastic they will throw waste flowers they will throw in that time our river will become what dirt so that type of water if we drink we feel what sick okay water from the sea contains a lot of salt so it cannot be used for drinking same case the sea water we can't drink that directly because the sea waters are salt fully it is salty we can't drink we can't put it in our mouth also because it is too salty that have to be purified and after purifying we can drink it okay but we can't drink all the waters what we get it where we get it now we can't drink it directly because some waters are not purified water from springs and deep wells is safe to drink such water does not contain germs okay well deep well means the bami dodda bami irtilla adrolagin water we can drink because there we not get germs okay they are purified in big cities the tap water that comes to home is purified and is safe for drinking we get now corporation water we drink that now that is purified water that is purified first after that it will distribute it to our house we all get now corporation water you all have now in your home that all will be purified water so we use it for drinking that all come from where Malaprabha yes we get it from that all are first that all are purified after that only they are distributed to each house they will not send the unpurified water they will not send the germed waters they are purified first and after that they will distribute to the each house using the pipelines understood how and which type of water we have to drink in water also so many types of waters are there but we can't drink it directly without seeing it is purified or not okay understood children how the waters are there and which type of waters and the sources of water understood now okay today what we'll do we'll give you the difficult words in this chapter write it 5 times children okay hard words first one the first only the water second one sources streams something. Fifth one, important. Next one, bore wells. Hand pumps. Springs we finished. After that, purified. Ninth one, river. 10th one, lakes. Okay, these are the 10 words. You have to write it 5 times and practice these all things. We'll continue the next part in the next class, children. Okay, please practice these all words 5 times in your homework book. This is the homework for you, children. Complete this and we'll meet you in the next class, children. Bye.